Well, good afternoon YouTubers, welcome to my workshop. This is everything series 1. As you can see here, freshly renovated series 1 bulkhead and front panel and the chassis. Engines over there, which is original 2-litre diesel. Right, windscreen. So somebody had painted this by hand, painted all the galvanised stripping and everything. It had all been painted a couple of times over the years. So going to get it blasted back and tidied up. Obviously I want to take the glass out first. It's not as daunting as it sounds. In fact, where's the strips? As usual, I started this project without thinking about filming it for anybody to watch, so kind of backtracking a little bit, and that's because I went onto YouTube and searched Series 1 Land Rover windscreen glass replacement, and there wasn't any. So as I like to try and contribute back to YouTube because it's helped me out so much over the years, I thought I'd put a little one together. So this is what it looked like. That's the glazing strips, very thin aluminium glazing strips. That's what it looks like when you get it, or when you've got one. Take out all the screws, which are here. Tiny little screws they are, all sort of flathead or standard screwdriver heads, whatever you call it. So they're all in there. Take all them out. Take all them out and then take your glazing strips off, the one in the middle, and then what you'll find is some very sticky black mastic type sealant all the way around the edges and down the middle, and this is what it looks like. So get a nice flat sharp whatever this is called, and just run it all the way down there like that, and as soon as you slice it off you'll see the gap where the actual glass is, where it starts. You can start to see a glass edge around there. So get all that off, and then you can use heat with one of those industrial hair dryers, heat gun, or acetone, something like that to loosen it. Okay, right, so I was going to use acetone to try and soften up this mastic. I've run out of acetone. I did have petrol, so I'm using petrol, or if you're in the States you call it gas. So I've just poured a little bit over the glass and let it seep into the edges around here, and it is working. It is taking off the last bit of the sealant, which is there, so that's good. So it's definitely breaking it up. Now, if you can see that, that's me pushing that rubber plastic wedge right in behind, between the glass and the frame at the front. So that's gone right in. So there's nothing there now stopping that glass from coming out. all I've got to do is do that all the way around, and then I'll turn the frame over and the glass should just drop out. Right, so what I've done is I've left it, I've turned it over, so you'll notice that the screen now is turned over the other way, because it's the glass only comes out one way. So it sits in the frame when it's up the other way, and then you turn it over, and I poured some more petrol around here and let it soak in, and then I just eased it with a plastic spatula around the frame like that, all the way around, and then just pushed with my thumbs and it dropped. Here we are, it's just dropping out now. There it is. Plenty more of this gunk. Wow, that's really thick as well. So what I did before I attempted to take this apart, I checked online that you can get this mastic, and you can still buy it on. Okay, so you can get this stuff on eBay. It's for caravans. It's a mastic on a roll. It comes with greaseproof paper either side of it, and I think once you take the greaseproof paper off, it's probably just like this, soft and pliable and sticky. So we'll get this cleaned up and see how it looks.